Now I'm going to discuss about how to add image in Google Form. This is also quite simple. You need to follow some basic steps. Then you can add your image and easily from your desktop. And I'm showing you this method, which is very much useful to look it more attractive. Suppose this is the Google Drive. I have signed in with my Gmail user ID and password, and just simple right click here, open one new Google form, click here, then see this new Google form has come. Suppose this is about student info. Now suppose student details, student name, and I'm going to choose one student image. Okay, so see, there are many options, like first one is add question, next one is import questions, next one is add title. Here you can find this add image, one button is there, simple click here. Then one option is there, upload. This upload means from computer, that saved image you can simply drag here, then that image will be reflected in your Google form. Now see, I have saved one image here from Google only. I took and I have pasted in desktop. Simply you drag it here, and this has been uploaded. Now see, this student image has come. You can do in this way. There are one more method. Suppose you don't have any images, then what we'll do, I'm going to delete this one as I have taken it from desktop. I'm showing you another method. Delete it, add image. See here, one option is there at the end. This is written like Google image search. Simply search here with the name of student. See, a lot of images are there, so took any one. Suppose this one, click here, then insert. See, automatically it has come, no need to download. So this is quite easy and simple. I'm giving one by one step, say from part 1 to part 4. I'm giving you some basic details how to make Google form. Later I'll go in a complicated way, so kindly subscribe my channel to get more updates about it. And thanks to all.